Hello friends, myself Mithun Prakash Bhoi, studying SAS Institute of Management Studies FIMMS. Today's my topic is business static standard deviation. What is standard deviation? Standard deviation is a measure of how disparate the data in the relation to the mean. Low standard deviation means data are clustered around the mean, and high standard deviation indicates data are more spread out. Standard deviation is a measure of how spread out number are. Its symbol is Greek letter sigma. The formula is easy, square root of the variance. Advantage of standard deviation: it is the most well known measure of dispersion, and it is applicable in wide variety of situations. The standard deviation takes all observation into consideration. This is in contrast to other measure of dispersion such as range which are not based on all observation. The sample standard deviation is an unbased estimator of the population standard deviation. The standard deviation is not affected by the fluctuation of sampling, and therefore it can be used to estimate the standard deviation of population. The standard deviation is used to calculate the skewness and the quartiles of the data, which tells us about the symmetry and the shape of the data. If we are given the standard deviation of two data sets, we can find combination standard deviation by the combination standard deviation formula. There are such a formulation that give combination value for the other major dispersion. Disadvantage of standard deviation: the standard deviation does not exactly measure actual distance of each observation from the measurement, but the square of difference of the observation from the mean. When squaring the difference, outliner will contribute a large value of the numerator, because squaring large value makes them even longer. This means that the standard deviation gives more weightage to the extreme value. Therefore, the standard deviation is not resist to the effect of outliers. The calculation is very cumbersome to carry out by hand, since it is involve extracting square root. Although this drawback is easily taken care of by using calculator. We are interested in calculating the standard deviation of the exam score of a national standardization state test of to see many people score close to the mean or not. Use the following data set: uh, test taker and score. 1 to 10 are test taker, and 20 to 90 are score. In order to solve the following standard deviation, we have to follow the formula given earlier. Take a look at the solution below. Test taker, first test taker score, then formula x minus x bar and fourth x square. Next, we simply put into the formula. Standard deviation is equal to under root 3660 divided by 10 minus 1 is equal to 20.2. Thank you.